Good morning children, how are you all? Okay, in previous class we have completed our lesson 2 children, right? Now today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 3 children. Okay, first of all, what is our lesson title children? Everyone open your studio to page number 39 children. There we can see the title of the lesson, The Rabbit and the Lion. Okay children, the rabbit and the lion is our story. Before going to lesson, let's have one activity children. See here. Now, look at the two pictures below. That means they have given two pictures here children. What do you think each lion is thinking? Write your thoughts in the bubbles. That means here two pictures they have given children. With the two pictures, in the two pictures, two lions are there, right? Now what you have to do is, you have to think that what the lions are thinking. That means these two lions are thinking in, seeing in the pond, right? Now you have to think that what they might be thinking. See children, here two lions are there, right? Now see, here in the pond there is a fish and this lion is jumping towards the fish children. But here see, here also same fish is there, but here the lion is not jumping children. It's thinking about something. Now what you have to write is, you have to write what these two lions are thinking. You have to write in this bubbles children. Okay. Now see, why this lion is jumping? Okay, why this lion is jumping? This lion is jumping to catch the fish. Right, that's why it is jumping. That means in first bubble, what you have to write children? I want to catch this fish. Like that, the lion will think. I want to catch this fish. Okay, this is the first lion's one. Okay, lion 1. And next see, this lion is not jumping children, but here the lion is stood here and thinking about something. That means it's thinking what to do. Okay, that means here it's thinking that why this fish is came outside, or I like to eat fishes. Like that the lion is thinking. Now we can write like this. Okay, how we will write? I like to eat fishes. Okay, I like to eat fishes. Okay, this is second lion thinking children. Okay, two lions are there. Two lions are thinking differently. Now, which is correct method children? See, at the time the lion saw the fish, like that the lion should not jump because it may fall in that water. But we have to think once and we have to do it. Right children? But the lion, first lion is not doing like that. But second lion is thinking what to do children. Now let's start our lesson. Turn your pages children. Turn your page to 40. See here, let us now read a story about a rabbit and a lion. That means in our story there is a rabbit and there is a lion children. Okay, there are rabbit and lion. See these pictures. This is rabbit and this is lion children. Okay, that means our story is about these two animals. Let's see what they did in our story children. There lived a jungle jungle many animals. Okay, there is a jungle. Jungle means forest, children. There only animals will live. No human beings will go to the jungle. Okay, there is a jungle and so many animals are living there. There, king was a greedy lion. Okay, who is the king for the jungle? Lion, king of the jungle. King, who is king? Lion, children. Lion is the king for the jungle. He would kill many animals when he was hungry. Okay, what this king is doing? If king did anything, no one will say no, right, children? That means king will have all the powers, right? Like that, the king is lion. What it is doing, children? It is killing many animals and eating. Okay, when he was hungry, the animals in the forest were scared of him. Okay, all animals were what? They are scared of lion because what this lion is doing? It's killing like anything, all animals, and he is eating. Right? They decided to make an agreement with the lion. Okay, what they have decided, children? They means here animals. Okay, all the animals got mated and they are decided to make agreement. That means all animals one side and lion is one side, right? Now these animals decided to go to the lion and make an agreement. What do you mean by agreement, children? See here, agreement, agreeing to a set of conditions. That means conditions means in the sense, see, I will do something and you have to do that thing for me, like that conditions keeping. Okay, that means we are agreeing with each other. Those will called as agreement. Okay, these animals are going to lion and they want to agree with this lion, children. Each way one animal will go to the lion's den to be his meal. Okay, what they have decided, children? Each day, that means for one day, one animal will go to the lion's den. Lion's den means what? Den. Den means the house. Okay, the house where the lion lives. Okay, that means this lion, what it is doing? It coming outside. How many animals he caught? He is eating all those animals. That is not fair. But each day one animal means turn wise all animals will go. Then remaining animals can be free that day. Right, children? Otherwise, every day each and every animal what they will be scared and they don't know when they will die. That is not good, right, children? That's why these animals, what they did an agreement with the lion and they decided to go each day one animal to the lion's den. Okay, for his meal. In return, the lion would never hunt them again. Right, children? If one animal is directly going to the lion's den, no need to hunt. Right, children? No need to lion come outside. Every day one animal is going means the lion also will not be hungry. The lion agreed to this as it is a best deal, right, children? The animals will not be scared. They will come themselves to the lion's den, and this lion also no need to struggle for food, no need to struggle to hunt also. Directly he can eat his meal in the den itself. That's why the lion also agreed to this agreement. In this manner, one animal went to the lion's den every day to be eaten up. Like this, like the agreement decided, each animal is going to lion's den, children. One by one they are going. Okay, remaining are getting ready for their turn, and remaining days they are very free and they are happy. Like this, the days are passing on. One day it was a small rabbit's turn to go. Okay, one day what happened, children? A small rabbit is there in this jungle, children. Okay, do you like rabbits, children? As we all like rabbits, right? This small rabbit turn came. That means today the rabbit have to go to lion's den for the meal, children. He walked slowly and took his own time to reach the lion's Then, okay, what this rabbit is doing? The rabbit walked slowly. That much not hurry, children. Okay, he's taking how much time he can. Okay, slowly he take his own time and no hurry, but he is going slowly to the lion's den. The lion was very angry because the rabbit was late. Yes, sir, the lion is getting hungry. The rabbit is not coming. That's why the lion is very angry, children. Okay, because the rabbit was late. Why are you late? Okay, the lion is asking like that. Okay, the lion roared angrily. Roared means what, children? Big shouting of lion. Okay, roared. See, R-O-A-R-E-D. Roared, children. Okay, roared means the big shouting of lion. The lion is roaring angrily to the rabbit. Why are you late? When the rabbit finally arrived. Okay, finally the rabbit came to lion's den, and then the lion is roaring angrily. See, children, I am late because of the other lion in the jungle, said the rabbit. Okay, what this rabbit is telling? I am late, lion, because another lion is there in the jungle. That's why I came late here. Like that the rabbit is telling. He was shivering and he looked scared. The lion could not believe this. Okay, what this rabbit is telling? Another lion is there in the jungle. That's why I came late. And he was shivering. Shivering means like this. We will get shake, no? That shivering, and he looked very scared. Okay, and scared means what, children? Afraid. So much of afraid. Okay, he is looking like shivering, and he was very scared, and the lion could not believe this. Okay, I am only the king, I am only one and only lion in this jungle. Why another lion is there? Okay, who is that? Like that the lion cannot believe the rabbit's words. Another lion in my jungle? Okay, how is it asking? Another lion in my jungle, this is my jungle. Okay, another lion, it's came. Not possible. Okay, it is not possible. No chance to another lion to come into my jungle. Like that this lion is telling, children. Take me to this another lion at once. Okay, what this lion is asking this was, lion is so excited and want to see that another lion, why it came to his jungle, and also what the thing the lion is doing in his jungle. That's why the lion is asking to the rabbit. Okay, take me to that lion once. I will come with you. Like that the lion is asking. He demanded of the rabbit. That means he is not requesting or he is not telling in good manner, but he demanded. Demanded means what, children? Asked for something rudely. Okay, demanded. See the spelling, children. Demanded. Demanded means, children, asked for something rudely. That means not in good manner. Okay. See, it's asking the rabbit in demanded. See, the rabbit led the lion to a deep well. That means, see, do you know wells, children? Wells in villages also it will be there, and in jungles also wells will be there, children. Like around it will be so much of deep it will be, and in that deep well there will be water, children. Like that it will be well. Okay, now what the rabbit did, children? The rabbit take this lion to a deep well. He said, look inside, the other lion lives here. What this rabbit is telling, children? Look inside, lion, there is a other lion in that well. Now, what do you think the lion saw when he looked inside the well? Discuss. Okay, children. Is the lion will live in the well, children? Is it possible? No. Then why this rabbit is telling? See, this rabbit is playing trick on the lion, children. That means to get saved from the lion, the rabbit is playing trick. the lions are more any human beings. Rather than fishes, no one can live in the water. Then how the other lion will be, children? No, right? But this rabbit is telling, because this lion will believe that, because this lion will not have that much thinking power, children. Wow. What do you think at the time the lion looked into the well? What it will see, children? Tell me. What it will see? Okay, let's see what it will see. The lion looked inside the well. He saw his own reflection in the water. Okay, children. Now you do one thing. You see in water. You will see in the water. Now what you can see, children, in a bucket? Take water and you can see like this. What you can see? You can see your reflection. That means your face will appear there. Yes or no? That means that is called reflection, children. In the water, our reflection, that means our face will reflect it to us. That the same thing happened here, children. Here, the lion can see his own face in the water. That means his face is reflecting there. See here, they have given reflection, meaning reflection, the image of someone, something seen in a mirror or a water. Okay, in mirror also our reflection will come, right? Someone is seeing their image. The image will reflect it, children, in the water or in the mirror also. Okay, like that the lion's face reflected their, children. He thought this was the other lion. He roared with rage. Okay, what this lion did without thinking anything. Okay, this lion is not thinking smartly, but he thought that another lion is that one only. Okay, and he roared with rage. Roared means what I told, children? Roared means what? Big shouting of a lion. And rage means, see, children, anger that cannot be controlled. That means so much of anger that cannot be controlled. That much anger the lion got by looking at the image of his own only. But no another lion is there. But the lion saw that one and it roared with rage, children. Now see. I am the king of this jungle. I alone am the king of this jungle. Alone means what? I am the single one. I am only the one king for this jungle. He roared again. That means he is talking with another lion. Like that the lion is thinking. But what the thing it is happening, children? No another lion is there. But actually he is talking to his image only. Okay, the lion was so angry that he jumped into the deep well to attack the other lion. He was never heard of again. Okay, what this lion did, children, with that much anger, what it did? It jumped into the deep valley. Okay, to catch that other lion, and he never heard again. That means after jumping into the water, the lion will be dead, right, children? We cannot hear his voice again. The rabbit came back to his burrow. All the animals were surprised to him. Okay, now the rabbit is saved from the lion. The lion is dead, right? The rabbit went to his burrow again. Now all the animals, remaining animals, are very surprised, because after seeing this rabbit, why you came back? The lion left you. Like that the animals are surprised and they are asking. Now he told them the story of the lion jumping into the well to find his own reflection. Okay, the rabbit started to telling to the all animals that how the lion jumped into the well and how the rabbit killed the lion, children. The smart rabbit had outwitted the lion. Outwit means what, children? Make a fool of someone in a clever manner. Right, children? Here, in a clever manner, the smart rabbit, what it did? It makes a lion fool. Right, children? Foolish fellows will only do like this, like lions. Okay, without thinking, it jumped what the fox is telling? We all are free because no lion is there and we can freely live without any scariness. Okay, glee means what, children? Very happy with full of joy. This fox is telling. Look before you leap, said an old owl wisely. Okay, lastly, the old owl is telling, look before you leap. That means you have to look before we are jumping into anything, children. We have to think once. The old people will tell these morals only, right, children? Here also old owl is telling. See, children, in this lesson what we have learned is, even though we are small, here the lion is very big animal and this rabbit is very small animal, right? But this small animal, to save himself and to save all the animals, he think very brightly and he planned and he killed the lion. Okay, children, that means even though we are small, we have to think smart and we have to do good manner in all things. Okay, the lion is good or bad, children? Bad. That's why he killed by a small animal, children. Okay, and one more thing we have to remember, children, before we jump into anything, before we do anything, we have to think once it is correct or not, it is real or not. Like that we have to think, children. Okay, like that the story ended, children. And we always have to think smart and do good things only, and we have to be helpful for ourselves and for reminding people, those who are with us also, children, like rabbit. Okay, do you like this story, children? As you all will like stories, right, children? This is about our third lesson story, children. In next class we will go with our textual exercises, children, and what the homework is to you for you, children, means you have to write meanings, children. See here how many meanings they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meanings, children. Okay, homework, note down here 5 meanings, children. Homework. Okay, homework. Meanings, children, write meanings one time. Write meanings one time in new book, children. Take one new book and write there. Okay, already 2 lessons completed, right, children, for us, and this is third lesson. Leave 10 to 15 pages. That means you can leave 15 pages, children, and start from there. In 16th page, write this meaning, children. Keep the heading third lesson, the rabbit and the lion, and write from there, children. Okay, write these 5 meanings and read it, children. Okay, okay. This is about our today's English class, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.